making white lasagna soup. In this pot is my ground pork, my onions. I didn't have everything she had in the recipe. My real bacon pieces. She had pancetta, I do not. She let her pasta noodles boil over here, but I'm a little hungry, so I didn't want to wait for that part. So I'm pre-boiling my pasta noodles over there just a little bit. And then I'm going to add, we got through it, guys, the last of that case of heavy cream. And then some grated Parmesan. And we will be done. And I've got my seasonings in there. And my time is up in the office, obviously, because I was using it in some other potions. But I will just go up there when I go to eat, so I'll just sprinkle it in there. But this is looking good. I watched the video last night and realized I had pretty much everything that she had in the video. And I said, oh yeah, with that last bit of heavy cream, we're making this. So I'll be back. Oh, and I made a cup of this. It actually makes 2 cups. 1 packet of this makes 2 cups. So I put in that and some minced garlic too. I'm just letting the onions soften up because mine were big and chunky. I like them a little bit chunkier, but I do want them softened. Love it cheesy. Save some for the top. And I've got some canned spinach. She used frozen spinach, but I always, if I've got spinach anyway, I'll toss it in a pasta dish. So, I'm gonna get nice hunks. Any way to add some green veg. Alright. I'm just letting this thicken up and kind of waiting on the noodles. I've got like 4 minutes left on those noodles. Just toss your lasagna noodles inside of your soup liquid. And since I pre-cooked mine, I don't have to let them sit in here for long. Otherwise, you'll just let them cook for as long as, I guess, the lasagna says. You just break it up in pieces. You want it in pieces because you're just eating it like soup. And our soup is pretty much done. Looks delicious. I love a good white sauce, anything, pasta. I'm going to put, I think it's Keto Yummy Bites. I'm going to put her channel at the bottom of the screen and link the video in the description box. I'm not keto. I did do it before. I don't care. I love cheese. I love meat. That's a good diet for me. But yeah, it just popped up and I was like, that looks good. And I have all the stuff to make that. Let's make that tomorrow. So I'll be back and show you the finished product. I don't have any bread or anything, but this is going to be hearty enough for me to last me for the rest of the today. Topping with a little more grated cheese, and that's it, guys. I try to give you all the angles. I just put it in my plastic Tupperware because that's what I'm going to eat in and save it in. And I hope you make this. It was so delicious. Do it. Make it eat.